Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a train is scheduled to arrive at the time mentioned on a clock. However, it is delayed by 50 minutes. At what time will the train arrive? Firstly, let us find the time mentioned on the clock. We know that our hand is on 4 here. So, it is 4 hours. And minute hand is on 3. That is 15 minutes. So, the time will be 15 minutes past 4. So, the time be 15 minutes past 4. And we can represent it as, it can be represented as 4:15. Now, here from given information, the train delayed by 50 minutes. As train delayed by 50 minutes. So, to find the time, we need to add 50 minutes to this 4:15. So, it will be 5 plus 1 is 6, that is 465. 465 is nothing but, if we subtract 60 minutes from the 65, then add 1 hour to 5. So, 465 means 5, because add 60 minutes, that is 1 hour to 4, and subtract 60 minutes from 65. So, it is 5. Hence, the train will arrive at 5.